Ever wonder why we overthink? What makes serial killers tick? Or how a simple optical illusion can reveal the way our brain works? Psychology explains all of it and more. This channel is curated by David Webb, psychology educator, best-selling author, and founder of allaboutspsychology.com. Since 2008, he's helped millions of curious minds explore the science of how we think, feel, and behave. All About Psychology is your gateway to the fascinating world of psychology. You'll find short, science-backed videos that tackle everything from mental health and emotional well-being to classic studies, cognitive biases, personality traits, and the psychology behind human behavior in all of its forms. Because psychology isn't just about therapy, it's a science. It's a STEM discipline grounded in evidence, research, and discovery. And it's one of the most fascinating subjects on Earth. If you're ready to explore the full scope of the mind, subscribe now and join thousands of others learning psychology grounded in science, not fluff. Welcome to the home of understandable, useful, and endlessly interesting psychology.